Start lifting. Start lifting. Keep lifting. Oh my goodness!
Oh,
that is
God.
a monster. Hey guys, welcome back. You know what time it is? Fishing! That's right. We're gonna tear them up today. We're gonna try to at least. Last time we was out, we caught a bunch of small ones and it was fun doing it. We're gonna have fun today. We're gonna try to get a whole lot of other fish. Those small ones gonna be a little bit bigger, so we should be able to keep them. But I was told they were at about 39 to 42 feet of water. So we're gonna check this out by the stacks. I don't know if those are the stacks that the guy was talking about, but I want to show you guys that we're marking some fish. We got a whole mess of something down there. Looks like it might be, I don't know what that is. We're gonna get some lines in and see what that is. We're gonna pull it up. We're gonna show you guys. All right, got a fish on. Had a hard hit. Hopefully it's a walleye, and it has got a heavy tug to it, and looks like it is. Okay. Stay on. Oh. This one is a keeper. It is off the hook. All right. The big reveal. We don't need to measure that one. Really nice. All right. Nice. All right, we're checking another one out. How does this feel, mister?
Feels a little heavy.
A little heavy. All right. But you're strong though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty strong. I think you're pretty strong. All right, let's see what it looks like. Keep lifting. There we go. It's a nice size one. Almost missed it, y'all. Y'all see that? Almost missed it. It did get the whole thing off too. This is another keeper.
Two sides.
All right. Let me move this out of you guys' way. Out of my way. And this is gonna require me to use the pliers because it's deep down inside of us. There we go. Real nice one. Beautiful. All right. See you guys in a little bit. Oh, we got it on there. A little bitty one. It's a throwback though.
That's a perch.
Oh, that's a nice perch. Look at that, y'all. Wee, y'all. That's cool.
We're bringing it home for you, Miss Lena.
Yes, we are. All right, peace. All right, we didn't see a hit. What we did see is that the dipsy was popped already, and we're reeling this in. He got something on it that's really big, and hopefully it's one of the biggest walleye we will catch.
Oh, I just seen it.
Yeah?
That was big.
It's big?
I think so.
Oh, I need to get my strength up. Strength levels. We gotta do all of this right, man. Oh yeah, that's a nice size. It's gonna be the biggest one of the year for us. Take your time with it. Keep that pressure on. Start walking back. And when you lift steady. Oh my goodness, look at that guy. Start lifting. Start lifting. Keep lifting. Oh my goodness. That is a monster. Okay, let's get into the boat. Oh my goodness. He swallowed it. He's hooked really good, so that helps me out.
That is a big one.
Biggest one of the year for us.
What do you think? The biggest one we've ever caught?
Nah.
I want to measure it just to see how big it is.
All right. You are hooked well, so that's good for us. Look at this, guys. I need to get them off. I need to get them off. All right. Move some stuff out of my way. This net out of my way. It's good, we're good. This one, measuring out at, there we go, about 23. Look at that. Woohoo!
That's a thumbnail.
Cha-ching! Oh, wow. That's beautiful. Look at that. All right. All right. Got a hit on the planer. So we're going to see what this is. Hopefully it's something of size that we can keep. It's staying down. That's usually a good sign. But it's looking kind of funky. Sour like funky. Ha. Look at this. Tight lip. Not what we want, y'all. All right, we had a big hit on this.
It's right there.
It's right there? Okay, let's see. You caught the big one. Let's see if this is going to be another big walleye. We will see if this is going to be another big. It is a walleye.
Yeah, the net. The net.
Net? Okay, you got to keep reeling, huh?
Dad, it's right here.
Okay, okay. Start lifting. Oh no! Stay on it, stay on it. There we go. We almost lost it. We almost lost it. Oh my goodness, we almost lost it. Next time when we lift, let's just lift slowly. Oh, yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes.
Yes, mom.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, you bit it good, too.
Let's measure that. Let's see how big it is.
You want to measure it? You want to measure this. It's not as big.
Yeah.
It's still a nice looking walleye. Look at that. Still a nice looking walleye. Clicker. There he is eating. The guy that's pulling in all these big fish. Is that helping you pull these fish in, mister?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? He was yelling at me, y'all. Y'all hear him yelling at me? All right, so let's do a quick recap.
Oh,
So,
there's another one.
Where?
Right there.
Where? This one?
Yep, that one.
Look, he's calling him out again. No, I don't think there's one on there, bro.
I do.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
Look at him. He's just going to town.
Oh my.
Can't get it? You gotta pull it to it, you gotta unset the thing, huh?
There we go. Look, a bunch of pollen in the water.
Oh yeah. I don't know what that is in the water.
Oh.
How's it feel?
It's a little heavy.
A little heavy?
Yeah.
Man, they was just eating and now this cat reeling in a fish. Let's see if it got some size to it. It might be okay. Now, you're gonna remember to lift up slow. It looks small. It does look small. It is small. Lift it up. That's a small one. Alrighty. This one's gonna go back. This is what you did, bro. You did that. Alright. Alright, y'all. We had to hurry up and get this one in. We thought it was tangled, but it's not. But look at this. We was dragging it. Look how it's hooked. Can you see that? It's like barely hooked on there. What? We got this one again, y'all. So since it's barely hooked, that means I don't need my pliers, right? Right? Oh, look at that. They got some water in his mouth. Look at that. Oh. All right, y'all. Peace. We out here having fun, catching some fish. We got some bigger ones now, which is awesome. Awesome. It's good. So I want to show you guys a little bit of the beauty of Lake Erie. It is just really awesome. Hold on, let me flip this around. So there is our land right there. There's my boy fishing. And look at this. Nice day out here. Really nice day. Really nice day. It feels awesome, not too hot. Got a slight breeze. It's just a beautiful day out. And then check out what we're working with so far. We have the big monster in there who's hiding some other ones. Let's see. We got a perch over there, trying to get some more in. All right, we're checking another line just for the sake of checking it because it's been out for a while and it looks like it's a walleye on it, guys. So we're gonna get this one in. I'm gonna show it to you guys and then we're gonna eat. No, we're not gonna eat. Okay, I see it. All right, a little bit of size to you. Yeah. Talk to me. Talk to me now. What you say? Oh, don't get it tangled up. All right, I promised I was gonna show you guys. Woohoo! It's a nice one. Lake Erie walleye fishing. They getting bigger. Oh my goodness, guys. We had 2 huge hits on the planer boards. The sad thing is, it's a big fish, but no. The sad thing is, I think it's a sheephead. Pretty sure it's a sheephead. But it's wearing me out. Look at it. Back there flapping. Oh.
That is a big sheephead.
It is.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
You! Get over here, ugly. Alright. Oh. Look at this. What am I gonna do with this? What am I gonna do with this? Alright, y'all. We get this bad boy back in the water. Peace. What the deal is? Ooh. That boy been working out. Alright, we saw a nice hit on this one. Let's pull it in, bro. Let's get it in. No, I don't think it is neither. Alright, we're gonna lift up slow when you get in the hill. Lift up slow. Yes. Not a sheephead, a little on the smaller side, but I actually think it's big enough to keep though. I was just wanting to check this line too. There we go. We're gonna measure this one and see how big this is. It is on the smaller side, so check it out. There. And it's big enough to keep. All right, going in the box. Bye. All right, here we are. And we out here Lake Erie fishing. You know, it's a pretty big lake. We got a nice fish on, but look like we got some fam in the area. We got some fam in the area. They over there doing their thing. Who that is? Who that is over there? We got some fam in the area. Y'all know who that is. Hey fam. Alright, back to the regularly scheduled program over here. We still got to get this fish in, right? Yeah. Are you flexing or are you trying to get it in? Both? Alright, let me get my net. This one's giving him a hard time. It is a walleye. You gonna get it? Keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling. Oh! That's what I'm talking about! Ah! Huh? Here. This one. Yeah. This is what we get. All right. The pliers, get them on. Almost. And this is us. We don't have to measure this one. We already know that this one is a good one. So we're gonna put this in. Clicker! Planers is working for us today. We got a couple of them off of them already. We're dragging this one. I saw it back there real far. Hopefully it got some nice size to it. Last couple we got in was pretty small, so we're gonna see how this one looks for us. Bigger. Looks like a keeper, possibly. We're gonna measure it. See how big it is. Man, this one makes the cut. It barely makes the cut. We're not seeing them hit, but as long as we keep checking them and there's fish on it, I'm good with that. This looks like it's really nice. It looks big. At least bigger than the last one. The last one was a keeper though, so that was good. This one, now that it's in the boat, looks smaller. But I still think it's a keeper. Pretty nice one. I'm pretty sure it's above 15. And I'm right. Alright. Boom. See you guys. Clicker. Nice fight. Look like a walleye. Oh yeah, look like a nice walleye. Let me get it?
Yeah.
Yeah. We see it. Oh. Nice one. Really nice. Now we did see this one hit, but it didn't hit like a walleye, so I was like, looked kind of like a small hit to me. All right, it's a pretty good one. Now this one we definitely don't have to measure because I know it is big enough. Really nice looking. All right guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and always keep fishing. Let's go!